in distributed, modular, and high channel count systems, designing the data acquisition signal chain for IEPE sensors that achieves the highest level of performance, while also providing input protection and sensor bias adjustment, traditionally requires design expertise and time. ADI's Precision Medium Bandwidth Signal Chain provides a fast track for prototyping your system and is supported by open source software to provide out-of-the-box usable data to start your machine learning journey. The low noise and extremely low distortion across the typical accelerometer and acoustic vibration band exposes the smallest changes in behavior, so anomalies or changes in asset health can be detected earlier. The preservation of DC information makes this signal chain suitable for both monitoring the health of the IEPE sensor and combining data from a variety of other sensor types. Protected inputs and sensor DC bias calibration support robust plug-and-play of sensors and cables. Accelerate your IEPE sensor and data acquisition system designs with ADI's Precision Medium Bandwidth Signal Chains.